Let's start with character creation. Focus on skills that align with your early game strategies. Identify the best goods to trade. Maximize profit by knowing what towns and villages need. Complete easy quests for quick experience and resources to build your army. Gather a balanced army. Recruit various troop types from different regions to prepare for battles. Learn the geography of Calradia. Good map knowledge means better positioning and faster travel. Hone your skills through training battles and tournaments to ensure your survival early on. Form alliances with lords and cities. Building relationships is key to gaining support. Keep morale high. Manage food supplies and avoid unnecessary conflicts. Invest early in upgrading your troops to enhance their effectiveness in battle. Identify weak towns to conquer. Plan your expansion carefully to avoid overextending.